You're going to learn how to create AI talking videos for free. Now look at what you're going to be learning how to create.
Hey there, Income Pilot fam. You're in the right place, and we're about to change the game. Here's what you can expect from Income Pilot 1.
Now I'm not going to teach you guys how to edit everything because the video is going to be very long, so I might do that in the next video, but that will be depending on what you guys want, because I don't create videos that people don't want. So if you guys want me to create an intensive course on how I use CapCut to make that video really catchy and nice, then you guys can talk to me in the comment section and I'm going to do that for you guys. But now I'm only going to show you guys how to get the animation talking. Okay, that's all what I have here, so let's jump right into the video.
First thing you have to do is come to this 11lab.io. This is where you're going to do your text to speech. So you just come, you can register or you can even use it without registration. So when you come, you just come here and then you're going to input what you want to be as audio. So I've organized my script and here Income Pilot Farm, and you're in the right place and blah 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 blah. So you copy your scripts here. You make sure you organize your script properly. You copy your script and then you copy it and then go back here, and this is where you're going to paste your script. Paste. If you want to generate anything and you don't have ideas to generate anything, you can go to ChatGPT. So that's exactly what I did. If you should come here to this message when you register and everything, so to register you just come here and then go to OpenAI. So when you come to openai.com, then it's going to lead you to register, and then you can register your account, and then you're going to get access to this other page called ChatGPT. If you don't know about it, but I think everybody knows about ChatGPT, a lot of people. Okay, so now I use ChatGPT a lot, and you can see the prompt I gave ChatGPT. So write me a 30-second script that tells my followers details, reassure them, blah blah blah, my platform. And so you just get the description of how you want to just tell him what you want to tell the AI, what you want, and then it's going to generate for you everything. So this is the script, and then all I did is just to kind of edit it to this one. So this is the final version I have, and then you come down to you come here to choose the person that you want to read your voice. So you can choose
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Adam. Yeah. So come down here and we can now generate again. So
hey there, Income Pilot fam. You're in the right place, and we're about to change the game.
We're going to download. It's very simple. You just tap on download and you see it has downloaded. So when we tap on open, you can see that it's
hey there, Income Pilot fam.
So the next step now is to generate your avatar. So we're going to use Leonardo also, yeah. Then you come here, when you tap on the link, it's going to take you to it. You just register. It's very straightforward to register. You just come here and then you're now going to select your interest, just maybe next. Then you confirm you confirm that I'm over 18. Yes, so I'm over 18. So you just choose other ones, and then here you're going to pick a username. So let me just use it's Victor808 _, and then we're just going to tap on next, personal use, and then start using X on this maybe later. Yeah, a lot. I'll make it to become a desktop make it to use desktop mode. So you come here and then use desktop sites, this down please here. So it's going to give you access to desktop options. So do is now come here to this AI image generator, this one here, and then you tap on it because this is what we want. You can just cancel this. Let's cancel this. Yeah, on top of here is where you're going to write in your prompt. So now let me show you guys the best prompt you're going to do. So let's go back to ChatGPT and see what ChatGPT has done for us. So like I told you, always use ChatGPT to make your work easier. So now this is what we are going to copy here, generate.
just copy it. You can screenshot your phone and copy it, and then you can use the prompt. Is still going to be still going to serve you the same purpose if you want the results that you're getting from me. Come down here to this input dimensions, and then you select this 512 by 512. You're going to put it here, so 512 here by 512 here, so you're going to impute it like that. And then let's say down here to this up place, Dream Shipper, you tap on it and then tap on absolute reality, tap on absolute reality, tap on generate, and let's see. Came out very nice. You can see it's very fine. Yeah, okay, this is okay. So is to download it, so you tap on it and then just tap on this download button, and then it's going to download. Next step, now this will be the second link or the third link also under the description of this video. So what you're going to do is, when you come here, it's going to take you here, and then you're going to tap on this connect up here, this connect. So you're going to connect it. You wait for it to be come down here, and then tap on this play button, here. That is the next step. You tap on it, and then it's going to bring this image. So you now tap on run anyway. So you're going to run it. You're going to wait for a few minutes for it to run. So what you're going to do is now click on the play again, this play button here, until an upload option is going to come out for you. So you see down here the upload option has come out, the file here. So you're going to now tap on choose file to upload, then open. So we wait for it to finish the image. So the third step is, you're now going to make the image live. You're going to bring it to life. So you now come down to this play again. The third step, you tap on it. The link of this thing is going to be on the description, like I said. So you can see it's downloading. You just wait for it to finish. Just be patient for it to finish downloading, because it's now making it to have bringing the picture to life. It's not the best, but at least it is giving it this moving nature step, and then just tap on it. So this will help complete everything. On this play again for the fifth step. So this is where you're going to now choose the audio that we have just created. So you tap here on upload file. So we'll now done. So you check the time, uploaded. So we'll now come down here, sixth step. Do not touch anything in this sixth step, just play it, just tap on play. So we're now going to wait for it to come to this one. You can tap on either preview final video, or you just tap on download video. So let's tap on this download the video. So we are now going to
Hey there, Income Pilot fam. You're in the right place, and we're about to change the game.
Now, if you should notice, the video didn't really come out well. That means the mouth wasn't really talking well, if you should notice well. But so what you should do is to make sure you should go back and then try to get a perfect picture that is going to make sure that the mouth is being synced with the AI to make it talk. You understand? So just go to play around with it to get the perfect picture, and then you're going to use it and you're going to get a perfect result. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.